So it will be as in notes, it will be do, ti, la, so, fa. You get it? 1 7 6 5 4. You get it? So I'll giving you the chord structure, it on how it sounds like as I'm harmonizing it. It will be like the la or the 6 5 or the so 4th or the fa. That's a so or the fifth bar. That's in my second inversion. All right. Then I come back to the 4th or the fa. Yeah, that was also on the second inversion too. All right. That is the structure. So it will be as in how it was being played. It started with yeah, so like the next one that I want to do was in an octave form. So the la, you add the root octave to it. So the notes that I played was mi or the third, the fifth or the so, the la or the sis, and the root, that's the do. And I inverted the octave to it, or I added the octave to it. So the mi that I used will be another mi. Yeah. So the same thing applies to the re, so, ti, and the re, and the fa. So do, fa, la, do. Come back to the re, so ti, re. Then you come to that this thing, ti, do, ti, so, and mi, ti, do, ti, so, and mi. Yeah, that's it. All right. The key of E flat. So right now I'm giving you the vamps. I'm teaching you the vamps right now. Someone will say the backing. Yeah. The first phase of the progression is 1, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So it will be 1, that's do, mi, that's the 3rd, fa, that's the 4th, and so that's the 5th. So all right. So there will be a transformation here at this point. You just listen before I teach on that. Yeah, this play